Alright everybody, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. She has been delivered. Now, as y'all notice, I had blew up the Gigabyte GA-B75M-D3H. So this is the replacement motherboard by the ASUS. I had to go back to the ASUS. People wasn't selling the board right, so I had to go ahead and find a board that's within the power range. Now, as you know, this is LGA 1155. Yes, she's looking a little clean, and she got little dust areas that I had to go ahead on and use the air can and just blast with some blast a little bit, but she's clean. Everything looking nice, everything looking decent. No bent pins. And double check that. Yep, the pins arrays are looking decent. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to go ahead on and be doing the boot up, make sure she posts. So I'm gonna go ahead and be putting everything in, and I will be showing the photo of that. And when I do, then we all good to go. Now, some of y'all had their unboxings of it. Now, this is used, yes. Y'all always say Ron always using old hardware. Ron always using this. Why Ron don't use new hardware? Because I don't need the new latest hardware to do what I'm doing with my basic needs in PC. So this is the 1 gigabyte I'm going to be using to go ahead on and show the post screen. Now I'm just going to go over the specs with you right quick. Here are your SATA 3.0s, your SATA 3s. I get 2. Here are my SATAs 2s. I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I get 5 plus the 2. There's a total of 7 SATA ports on the board. Here I got 1, 2, 3, 4 USB front panel hookup. Here's my COM hookup. Here's my header hookup, as well as my SPDF out. I have 3. Correction, sorry about that, viewers. I have 3 PCI slots. I have 1 PCIe X8. I have 2 PCIe X1s, and I have 1 PCIe 3.0 X16. I have USB 3.0 boost. I have my USB front panel header. I have my 24 pin header. Here's my memory OK button. Now the good thing about this motherboard here's my BIOS flashback. So if I want to go ahead on the flashback the motherboard without the memory or CPU, I could do that there. Here are your audio connection, your Gigabyte connection. I got 4 3.0 USBs in the back. I got 1 IEEE header. I got 1 regular VGA header, DVI header, display port, as well as the HDMI, and 2 USB 2.0s and a USB PS2 mouse and keyboard hookup. Here I have my 8-pin CPU hookup. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 fan headers for fan flow. I got my channel fan is here, my CPU fan is there. I got another channel fan here, and I got a power fan there. Yes. Here's my USB 3.0 front panel connector. Here's my DDR3 RAM. Holds up to 32 gigabytes of RAM. So I got no issues with that. Here's my LGA 1155 CPU header, as well as everything looking good here. As you see, all the heavy heat sinks for the VRMs. Yes, I will be dusty. You can see a little dust for it, so I will be giving it a quick clean down, as well as getting her ready to post and all the other good stuff. So that's the next step. Now is to see if she will post. If she's not posting, she's going right back to the seller. All right, here we go. All right, everybody, she's running. She's on. I got no issues. Everything running smooth. She's not heating up anything. She's looking good. She's looking clean. The power light on. You know I got to go ahead and go old school with my little speaker header. And She posted i7 3770 CPU 3.4 gigahertz with a total max memory of 32,768 megabytes of DDR3. As you know, new CPU installed. Please enter setup. Yes, I will do that, and I will go ahead and get this baby in and running so I get this computer back up and running. Yes, my silly butt. Keep in mind, this is one reason why I picked this motherboard here on the Gigabyte. The motherboard I had did one thing wrong. When the don't you stand on that. The motherboard that I had put a TPM header on it, a 2.0. Silly me, I did not find out that the on the Gigabyte motherboard, I thought everything was, well, you get it backwards compatible. That TPM header was not backwards compatible, and I may have damaged the motherboard. I had to pull up my Tech 8 gear here so I could go ahead on and troubleshoot everything using my parts here with that motherboard. So I'm gonna go see if I can find a compatible CPU to put into it and see where I can go ahead and flash it. And other than that, she's good to go. The ASUS P8Z77V, as you see right there, is good to go. She's running good. She's blowing. And I'm excited to have her. And she posted. I heard that. Beep. And yes, now off to the installation. All right. All right, everybody. Now my RGB lights are off right now. Just gotta go ahead and connect everything up and connect the remaining 5 hard drives back up in the system. Yes, she posted, and everything is good. As you see, I gotta connect the remaining 5 hard drives up. Everything is good. I don't have my RGB fans running right now because I gotta do some cable management in the back because I gotta go ahead and reconnect the my hard drive leads back up, my SATA hard drive leads. But she posted. She posted. Now, the thing is, y'all can go ahead and post your comments to the bottom. Should I do a fresh install, or should I just go ahead and erase the old hard drive, the whole board drivers out? She booted up perfectly. Everything is good. This motherboard is on fire. Now, this is my first, I want to say my first rodeo with ATX, because my first ATX motherboard was a PGA 370 on the Soyo motherboards back in those days. I built my system. I built that system back in the late 90s. The reason why I like using micro ATX, because I was leaving a lot of DNA behind. But here, as you see, I had put another 2.0 header in the back. So this baby is holding 2, 4, 6, 8 USB ports. I got 2 up front, 4 in the back, 3 3.0s in the back, plus 2 2.0s in the back. Yeah, I love a lot of USBs. So, but other than that, and she's cool. She's not much breaking a sweat. She's at 9% RAM. As you see, 9% RAM. The CPU is not being utilized right now. But the thing is, I'm debating should I do a fresh install and uninstall my old code key in. You know what? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do that. Alrighty, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a fresh install and just bring this baby back up to settings right now. So, other than that, she's running, and I can't go wrong with it. I want to thank y'all for watching. Whew, my silly butt destroyed the first motherboard when I put a 2.0 header on a 1.2 TPM header, which was non-backwards compatible. So yeah, I had to spend more money. I'm trying to fix that board, get into the BIOS, and see can I buy another BIOS chip and get that motherboard up and running. Yes, I know how to do soldering work, and everything is good to go. But other than that, all is well. I want to thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.